There was a time when software had no structure. In the early days, programs were a maze of go tos, jumps, and side effects. It worked until it didn't. Then structure arrived. C brought procedures, Java brought methods and objects. Python brought functions, clear boundaries emerged. Then we started having design patterns, shared patterns, frameworks, conventions, and software evolved from a clever mess to an engineered artifact. AI today feels like it is going through a similar transformation. We used to be in an unstructured world of prompts and prompt engineering and meta prompts and working hard to help the models give us what we need. It was AI spaghetti. Something changed. This past winter, Anthropic introduced skills, hooks, subagents, and commands, things that were first only in Cloud Code and now almost a widespread industry standard. We are no longer throwing text at a model praying that we'll get the right answer. We are designing systems of context. This is the structure phase of AI, the next level, sort of context engineering, if you think of it this way. Uh, this step really promises a huge leap in enterprise capabilities that every platform team should pay attention to. I want to give you two examples from my own experience working with platform teams and AI systems. The first one is API platforms. APIs promise to make software simple, scalable, elegant, but in large enterprises, APIs and API platforms often struggle to deliver that promise. Take a customer information API. An enterprise will have multiple and many types of customers, legacy systems, acquired systems, different channels, different backends, different generations of software. Thinking that you're going to look at a Swagger doc and understand how to call certain APIs is really naive. In order to understand how to use a customer information API, you sort of need to understand the DNA and history of that whole enterprise. Engineers who understand the power of the new AI structures can organize their meetings, collect documentation, capture discussions, feed that all in the right way to an AI to generate new artifacts that will be consumed by coding agents that can actually weave that understanding and help stream value teams to use the right APIs in the right context to deliver the value to our customers. Finally, we are delivering on a promise that is maybe 20 years old. The other example is the Cloud Center of Excellence. Every enterprise worshipped at the altar of that landing zone as part of their cloud journey. What they delivered was walls of Terraform scripts. They're designed to enforce rules with a very noble goal in mind. We need to protect the privacy and security while allowing cloud innovation. But just like API platforms, the reality did not always match the promise. The landing zones were too strict. They could not anticipate every imagined use case, add the constant change in technology, and the result is very frustrated teams on both sides. The overworked platform team feels underappreciated for all the effort they put protecting the enterprise, and the value stream team feel that they are shackled and they are blocked from experimenting and prototyping. Now imagine, instead of building a Terraform script that you have to follow to create your policy-approved storage bucket, an AI agent would interact with the engineers around their use case, help them create the right storage bucket for their use case given the enterprise policies. My final thoughts on this is AI did not get better, it just got structured. What we are seeing now is the emergence of techniques that turn AI from an unpredictable party trick tool into an engineered system, one that carries context, enforces intent, adapts as the platform evolves. Teams who will adapt this technique will solve problems that has resisted solutions for a long time. We are moving from engineers who are following enterprises guardrails like IKEA instructions to engineers who can unpack the intent behind the policies and use AI agents to build and deliver their products. This is a massive cultural shift. This is not a feature, it's not a plugin, it is a shift. And engineers who understand that shift will not be writing code. They will be building leverage that can use AI to deliver products. These are really exciting times. We are all lucky to be alive today.